What's up, folks? Coming back at you with Justin Peterson's Hunting and Fishing Adventures. Duck season, we're coming back at it. It's closed this last week. Tomorrow reopens. Today is October 11th. Tomorrow, October 12th at 6:39. It is time to lay the smack down again. We are going to slap some steel on some feathers, get you some footage. Got some new toys for my GoPro, so hopefully the audio will be a little better. But we are going to lay out there and we are going to smoke them. Seen a lot of geese. Hopefully get some mallards in. Going to throw quite the spread tomorrow because I think there's going to be a lot more ducks. It is going to be a west-southwest wind. And imagine this, it was 60 degrees. Tomorrow it is going to be 15 to 20 mile an hour winds, a low of 29 tonight, and in the morning at 8 o'clock a.m. the wind chill is 19. So major difference, but don't care. We're beasts, we hunt. So stay tuned. Hopefully tomorrow morning again we'll bring you more footage. Gonna lay the smack down. And remember, if you like these videos, hit the thumbs up button. Punch that thumbs up button. It helps our channel. We love it. I hope you love our videos. Stay tuned tomorrow morning. We'll bring it to you. Gonna get the boomsticks out. It'll be sweet. Stay tuned.
In the grass.
Where?
In the grass. No, right there. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Go.
Hey! Tried swimming away.
I know, I told you what to do.
I think I shot him. I think we have to rewatch that video because when I shot, he fell.
Well, I shot last, and that's when he went down.
We're gonna rewatch that video. Two going down right there. Two mallards down. Hiding in the grass, tried to swim away.
Yeah, I told you.
Nice grenade.
Yeah, that's a nice one. I don't care. You were shooting away. I'm like, turn, right?
I was shooting at him too, brother. He's still alive.
Oh my God! Joe, get up! Oh.
Here, choke him out. I gotta reload. Choke him out. I gotta reload. He's pissed.
Fast mover.
Oh shit!
Trying to dive. Get him in the fucking thing. You're gonna have to ring him better, I think. I was trying to kill the drake. I wasn't ready. All damn duck's still alive. Yeah, they came off the big pond. Yet.
No. Huh? Oh my god, oh my god, all these geese, oh my god. Oh my, we're taking them,
Yeah, hang on. Let them come. Okay.
Get him, shoot him again, Watch out.
Hit him, Joe. Shoot him. I got that one. Kill that one. Alright.
Whoa.
Nice drake though.
Yeah, he is.
Oh, these are heavy.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna move your gloves so I don't soak it.
Any bands on them? Even look.
We never get that lucky.
Yeah, well, that's happened to me before.
I didn't see any either.
Don't do that again. That was one duck. I'm like, Joe, it's sitting right there. I'm always looking for that fucking duck. I'm like laughing. I'm like, it's right there. It's sitting there.
Oh, that's all full of water.
Boy, they splashed down, but I was still looking up when they splashed. And I was like, oh my.
So did you see where I found that,
Yeah.
that mallard?
I told you I wasn't getting it.
He was back further.
Looked like he was just winged for sure.
And all of a sudden he started to splash, and I'm like, ah.
Walking through, I'm like, hopefully he sees
yeah.
or something.
I almost gave up, but I did a circle back there, and he was in reeds just like those, but
Right.
further
Tried to
back.
get away, though.
He was hiding.
I dove in there and was hiding.
And he tried to dive then,
Yeah.
but I think his wing was
See how
broken.
they
He
do that,
couldn't get
dude? How
down.
they dive like that?
Yeah, he was
No, you
trying.
wanna-
His feet were up like this. That's the only reason I saw him.
Stand when I'm talking.
Got him, boy.
Nice tag team.
Make sure they don't swim away.
Tag team. I dropped the drake and I think you got a hen, brother. Tag team. Dude, I got the drake and Jake dumps the hen. Oh, that was perfect. Nice shooting, Jake. Oh man, this hen is bleeding.
Thank you.
Crazy.
Thank you.
Man, I smoked him and you smoked the second one perfect.
Dude, I swung. I just followed through on her. Oh, wow.
Got her good.
I-
That drake.
oh,
Look at that.
beautiful.
That's a nice drake.
Oh, I did a perfect follow through on her, too.
Well, I took my time. I was like,
So did I.
I'm getting this.
So did I.
And all of a sudden you shot him like, hey, we got them both.
Oh, freaking sweet.
That's what they call a rain out. There's only two of them, but still.
Oh, that's awesome.
Well, folks, we're gonna call it a wrap for today. I've been up since 1:07. Jake looks pretty tired. We had a pretty good shoot though. We got mallards, we got some teal, got some wood ducks, 2 nice geese. Buddy Joel's over packing up. He shot a nice goose, so it's a pretty good morning shoot. We had some missed opportunities, but that's hot. So it's a fun day. It's very, very windy, but no, I think we came out all right. We didn't see quite as many birds as opening weekend, but we still did see a lot of them. Like I said, always shoot more shells than you get birds. It happens. But anyways, I hope you like these videos, and we had a good shoot, and we're gonna call it a wrap for today. I'm gonna go back and get some rest and probably watch the Badger game. So stay tuned. Remember to smash that thumbs up like button,